Nope, bye.
Damn, that is true.
Why are you pulling into the intersection, you idiot? Like, it was red that whole time. It didn't, like, surprise you. Like, if you want to edge into that kind of world of getting stuff on the outside of houses, that's the way to start.
Yeah. Oh, fuck you. You want to go grab it?
Yeah, we'll grab it.
Dude, I'm not a cop.
Don't cross on a fucking red hand, people. Come on, you're gonna get hit by a fucking left-turning vehicle who doesn't see you, and that's a lot of red light running, everybody. Wow, that's impressively stupid.